Hello everybody and welcome. Today I am joined by one of my colleagues, Dr. Matthias Bucerius, and we're going to be talking about mRNA as an exciting new modality. So welcome, Matthias.
Hey Andrew, thanks for having me.
So let's get right into it. mRNA, it's actually been around for about 20 years, but with the COVID-19 pandemic, it's been catapulted into the limelight. From your standpoint, why is that? And what does the future hold?
So mRNA COVID vaccines have illustrated how mRNA-based technologies can actually enable a more rapid response to infectious diseases. The success of the mRNA COVID vaccines is expanding the potential of mRNA way beyond vaccination. Today, researchers across the globe are actually exploring the potential of mRNA-based therapeutics in areas like oncology, immunology, and many others. For us, we are very proud to be part of this space and collaborate with our customers in areas such as custom lipids, single-use devices, and many other components.
Got it. And totally agree. mRNA really is an exciting modality for the future. So you talked about lipids just at the end there. And why are they critical? What's their role with mRNA?
So lipids actually protect the mRNA component. One can't make an mRNA vaccine without the lipid materials that help it to travel to the cells in the human body. So lipids are a critical component of the drug delivery system. Today, only very few companies in the world actually are able to produce these custom lipids in significant quantities and according to the very high quality requirements that are needed for vaccine manufacturing. To meet this high demand, we accelerated the development of a new synthetic cholesterol and brought it to market actually 9 months ahead of its original schedule. Synthetic cholesterol can be seen as a glue that holds the lipid nanoparticles together so that they can encapsulate the actual mRNA. We accelerated from process validation to large-scale manufacturing in an unprecedented short period of time to bring that product to market that quickly. The introduction of synthetic cholesterol has increased our manufacturing capacity multifold to the proprietary process that it brings. It has been a tremendous team effort to make it.
Excellent. So you mentioned that the synthechol and the lipids are essential for the manufacturers of the mRNA vaccines. Can you share anything with us around the strategic partnerships we have with the vaccine manufacturers?
So in close collaboration with BioNTech, we significantly increased the manufacturing of these urgently needed lipids and much increased our output in 2021 overall. The lipids will be used in the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. Our entire team is actually very proud to play such a critical role in the fight against COVID. So by combining AmpTec's PCR-based technology with our deep expertise in lipid, we are able to provide an integrated offering across the entire value chain to our customers. And this will enable them to bring their products to market much faster than before.
Super. That really is super cool. So exciting times for mRNA. Unfortunately, we're out of time. So thank you, Matthias, for your opinions and for your contribution. Thank you, everybody, for watching. And we will see you next time for another exciting bioprocessing topic in All In with Bulpin. Take care now.